Hi, this is a quick video on how to connect a quick connect trickle charge connector to a 2022 Honda Metropolitan. The tools you're going to need are a piece of hard wire like a coat hanger, maybe a pick, a zip tie, a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head, and then some type of battery tender trickle charger. This one has a quick connect, which is what I used. You might buy multiple ones if you have multiple bikes or lawnmowers or whatever. This gets pretty good ratings on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it in the description. So the battery is underneath the seat right here, and you're going to take your small flathead screwdriver and just push these little pins in. I've already done it, but they're going to make a clicking sound, and then you can just pry them up, and then this little cover just comes out. So your battery is back here, and I've already connected the quick connect to the battery. The hardest part really of this whole process is getting those spade connectors onto those terminals, because I'll show an example here on another battery, but it's got these nuts back here, and they come behind this terminal here, and so what happens when you want to put the screw in, this nut goes all the way back. And the way I did it is use this little coat hanger and shove it back there and hold the nut while I screwed the bolt in. That's really the hardest part about this whole process. Once that's in, I fed the cord down through a hole right about here, so it's open to the rest of the bike right here. And so once you got it back together, it's a pretty clean install. Right here is where the cord comes out, and I've got it, it's hard to see, but I've got it zip tied to the brake cable bracket right here. So I think it's out of the way. So when you need to charge it, you just plug it into this quick connect right here, and then when you're driving or you want to hide it, you just shove it under here. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.